Ready? What's going on, everyone? Holy shit, it's been a while since I've pushed the record button. But today, my part came in on my 350Z, which I haven't showed you guys yet. But my clutch went out right after I bought it, so I upgraded to a stage 2 clutch, but it's from eBay. So the title of this will probably be Stage 2 Clutch Review from eBay, and we'll see how it holds up. So yeah, just getting to my Uncle Mark's, and the part got delivered here where my car is because he has a lift. Super handy to have a lift to do all this. So yeah, we'll get up to the top of this hill of his driveway and I'll show you guys what I bought. All right, so we got 350Z. Haven't showed it yet. Do a B-roll tomorrow. And got the new eBay clutch in. Stage 2. This thing is sick. Clutch Max. Everything looks pretty good. Only 200 bucks. And I'll do a review hopefully like in a month. See how it holds out. For 200 bucks, this stuff looks super clean.
Balanced. At the drill mark is when they balance it. I don't know how they can sell it for so cheap. It's freaking impressive.
Hopefully she holds up.
Brand new.
Oh, and this is Boss C. What's up? This is his doodad ranch.
Got the doodad.
He's the one with the lift, so we're here doing it. And that's what the back of the engine is. Car is super, super clean.
Unbelievably clean.
Has 150,000 miles on it.
Not a drip of oil. Just
seriously.
Stunning, stunning clean.
So today we're going to get the flywheel on. And probably that's all we're going to do. We might do a little bit, and then tomorrow I don't have work, so we'll get more done.
There's one other thing we will get done.
What's
Drink
that?
Beer.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And, of course, hydrate. How do you turn the camera around? There we go. It took me a minute to figure out how to turn the camera on myself. And then, of course, hydrate.
Hydrate!
Alright, I'm going to set the camera down and we'll get to it. Alright, so got it on. Gonna look up the torque specs really quick for it. Everything looks like it lines up nicely for an eBay product. Alright. Says torque to 75, so here we go.
By the way, Ratchet Earthquake from Harbor Freight. This thing's just shit.
It's a lifesaver actually doing this whole job.
Has massive torque.
Sorry for not recording us taking out the transmission either.
So you tighten them down to 70 pounds first, then you take them all back out and put red Loctite.
Oh, okay.
Red Loctite.
Now Loctite. One cool thing when I bought this car too is already switched out to single exhaust out the back. I have no idea what exhaust this is, but it sounds really good. Everything else is the same. Put Loctite on it and then torque them down 75 foot-pounds. And ready to move on.
75 and then...
Alright.
Or is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay.
75 foot-pounds of torque. Snap on. Is there a star pattern to this?
Yes. Just do a regular star pattern. Uh-oh.
How do you hold that?
Looks like we're gonna have to pin it somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let's see here. That'll work. Just anywhere where it'll stop it.
Something like that.
Yep.
Alright. So again, starting right here.
Make sure that head's on straight. I can see it twisting.
Sorry, I never push in like this. Yeah. Good call. Good call.
Man, that snap-on torque wrench is so sick.
I know, this one's sweet, dude. I brought my old one where it's the click.
Yeah.
Click, click.
This even tells you how many going up the scale.
All
Okay,
right.
there it is.
All torqued down. Looking super good. Yeah. Get that out.
Just a lock. Dang, man. That thing is sick.
It's hella good. All right.
Okay, so next part of the project.
See if we can throw in this clutch. Damn, that thing is full of shit. Make sure you guys get the setting tool when you're replacing one of these or upgrading. That clutch setting tool is saving a life.
Yep, absolutely.
So it's got dowels all over it. Little pins in, you know. That goes there. Not on this one. Go over one more.
Yeah, you gotta line them up. Yeah, it should be just like that.
If it doesn't fit.
Spin it to another position. I wouldn't think it'd matter either, but let's try it.
Oh, it does.
It does.
Don't freak out, guys. It does fit only one way. The other two ways didn't fit at all.
Okay, dead blow.
That's a trick. I like it.
Yeah, start with these at the pin.
Yeah, I'll start at all three of those. Alright, really quick. So, you guys can see it does matter. These little pins that line up the whole clutch. I put it on one way, it didn't fit, spun it all the way around, and still didn't fit. Spun it one more time, so it does only fit one way. So just keep spinning it till it lines up. We're gonna go ahead and get these all snug tight and torque all these down. I think it said 35 pounds. Sounds good. Put you guys back down here.
We'll make sure that's dead center when we... Yep.
Okay. kind of down, right?
Yep. Now you want to make sure that
The rest of it goes down, right?
make sure that this
Still lined up.
is center. Okay, that's centered. Now take it out. Now go ahead and tighten it up.
Start the rest of them?
Yep. Do the pins first. You want to get the pins to, are they all the way down?
No. But they're a lot more than the rest of it, so I didn't know if I should
Yeah, probably start.
start some of the other ones. Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah, let's check this real quick. Doing, 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 doing.
Okay. So I'm pretty much close to tight all the way around. Alright. So, got her on, all lined up. Now we just gotta torque it down. Give you guys a new angle. Yeah. No, yeah, good idea. You torque. Alright, he's ready. I hydrated. Sorry you missed out.
Thanks, asshole.
35.
We're gonna have to pin it again.
I think we can hold it. I'll hold it with you. I'll put the camera down. Alright, so we don't have to pin it. 35 pounds isn't much to hold. So.
Good.
Yes, sir. Alright. All torqued down. Making good progress. We're starting at 5 p.m. and staying hydrated the whole time. Can't emphasize it enough, guys. Stay hydrated. Alright.
Looks good.
And
Hydrate.
only next step would to slam that transmission in. Seriously though, this thing is super clean. Like even the inside of that really isn't that bad. I drained all the transmission fluid and hey, let me turn you guys around. I drained all the transmission fluid and there wasn't any signs of metal, which is crazy to see. And it's right there, and everything on that end looks really good. We'll take it outside, pressure wash it, all that jazz. Y-pod. So yeah, I don't know if we'll throw in the transmission tonight, but tomorrow for sure. And we'll see how it runs tomorrow. There we go. Alright guys, we're gonna end the video right there. We'll wait for at least one more person to come out and help us lift up the tranny into it. We don't have a tranny jack, but it's not that heavy, so we'll have one more guy come out, help us throw that in tomorrow, and yeah, we're gonna close out the video right there.
Hydrate.
Hydrate, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
It fell off.